with this amazing, energetic, fantabulous, fabulous Sangeet Sandhya. And before we start off, I will request the bride and the groom to please come forward so that we can actually welcome them with our open hearts, with a round of applause. So I will request Sampurna and Neetham to please come forward so that we can have and give them a very warm welcome before we start off with this evening. So hear and know your experience. How did you propose to her? One. And did you learn any Bengali word or sentence to actually impress her? Anything that you have learned in Bengali?
So proposed to her where we first met, which was at university in Toronto.
And now can we see the exact moment that you have created? You have the rings? Okay. So we can create it, yes or no? Yes, we can recreate because that was far in Kannada and we were not there. We would really love to see that moment come alive right in front of all our friends and family. So, will you? Yeah. Oh, they have already opened their rings and they are ready to exchange. Okay. So the same thing. Can we have a romantic number? Anything that comes to your mind will do. So you will create like you are walking in a park or something like that. Okay. So they are ready to do it and recreate it totally and again. And now Nathan has planned. Okay, chalo. Now we have to, and I'm prepared for the grand surprise for her. Reading it and it fell. Oh, that was the excitement that they held there, and she, yeah, you did not put the ring in her finger. Yeah, so put it right. You are recreating it actually. Lovely. But ladies and gentlemen, we have to wait for a day or two for their performance. We will be witnessing their performance in day after tomorrow. So we will not allow them actually to dance here so that the surprise will get ruined. But as of now, I will request both of you to please take your seats. Wonderfully complimented by Ma'am Manik, Shambhuna's mother. And before we move forward, we can actually see the love in the air, and I get where all the love comes from. And now we move forward with one more amazing performance. Now this performance is a special one. Why? When we talk about Bengalis globally, it is already said that we are very rich in tradition, in culture, in dance and in music. So we have one song which is running through generations, which stars Suchitra Sen and Mohanayak Uttam Kumar. And that song is Ei Poth Jodi Na Shesh Hoy. Before we start off with this wonderful couple performance, I will request everyone, এনারা না অনেক কষ্ট করে পারফর্ম করেছেন। আপনারা যদি এরকম I do understand it is a gathering, a get together, একটুখানি গল্প, একটুখানি আড্ডা, একটু বাঙালি হলে একটু PNPC, এগুলো তো থাকবে, এটা নর্মাল। But let others also enjoy the evening. একটু ভলিউমটা যদি একটু কমানো যায় তাহলে হবে। হ্যাঁ। And now the ladies, what you have to do is you have to hug them from behind, and we will play this song one more time, and you have to do the la 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 la, right? That's the is that. Okay, so come up, নিজে বড়কেই hug করবেন, হ্যাঁ, চলে আসুন। Well, that was some sort of a speech. Everyone present here are in tears, a bit emotional, but this is what it is all about. It's not only about having fun, getting that dance move correct, right and all, but it is also a part of the emotional thing that we cherish. This is a lovely, amazing jamming session it was. And ইংলিশ হিন্দি বাংলা তিনটে কভার করে দিয়েছি নো ওয়ান ক্যান কমপ্লেন যে আরে এইটা তো শুনলাম না অ্যান্ড খুব ভালো হয়েছে শুধু ভালো হয়েছে বললেই হবে হ্যাঁ কমপ্লিমেন্টও কিপটামো হ্যাঁ খুব ভালো হয়েছে ওকে বাবা রে হ্যাঁ আমাদের বাড়ির ছেলেদের খুব অ্যাক্টিভ তোকেই বলছি আমি কি অ্যাক্টিভ হ্যাঁ এসে এসে ছেলেগুলো নিয়ে আছে ওকে now ladies and gentlemen it's time to start off with a parody of dance performances আমরা শুনি না প্লিজ আমরা করে দিচ্ছি please enjoy the moment this is for you চলে মোবাইলটা একটু ছড়ে নেবো please okay so now ladies and gentlemen we are going to start off with the parody of the dances so all the dance performers please gather here all the dance performers please gather here we will do our non-stop dance performances parody so before we start and actually dive into it I will request all the performers to come forward and to start off with the first performance I will request the brothers and the cousins to please come forward and we have a special way of starting off with this song so leading the stage to all the brothers and the cousins here to start with the performances, dance performance. Let's quickly move on with Suhana and Arav with the next performance. And their kids, I need the same amount of energy from everyone when they take the stage. Are you guys ready? Yes? Are you guys ready? Only I can hear her voice. Let's get to the pictures. Well, it was wonderful, energetic performance by the kids of the house. And now we move forward with one more performance by the bride, her friend, and not that. So Shampurna, Shamadrita, and Shuchishmita. So much, thank you so much. I definitely know this means a lot to the family as well. And now, to Dada Modi, Prem Bhalwasa, dekhe nebo amra. And gives of the night, dance performance. And then we will have one very beautiful soul singing and gifting us her melodious voice to us. So, for the last, but not the least, the performance of the night by none other than the Nightingale